You can draw this simple illustration with zero drawing experience. This is a step-by-step tutorial for a complete beginner on digital art. Just follow this tutorial with me. For this illustration I used only default brushes. First, create a blank canvas. I'll use 1625/60 resolution and all other settings are untouched. You'll need full-size brush for the first step, because by default it's too small. Go to the settings, and increase this size range bar. Now you can increase its size way bigger than before. Now enable the grid tool and vertical symmetry tool first. Tap here to hide the icons. Draw a short line in the middle, using highlight color code. Now, disable both tools and use gradient tool on this line. Select these colors, just paste these numbers on hex number. Create a clip layer, and enable the rectangle tool. Now, draw the first building right here. Draw an extended line on the top. Tap here to duplicate the line, then drag this line in the middle on the building. Now, to draw the windows, draw a big square, and then use the wall color to divide it further. Try to keep it in the center. Again, tap here to create more duplicate. I'm using Monoline here, but solid fill is better. I was thinking something else while drawing it. Create a clip layer above it, and draw one more line below the window. Duplicate it to the lower window also. Now, use eraser to split these lines. You can duplicate it also. Merge this layer to the window layer. Use the selection tool to duplicate the window layer and move it below. Merge this duplicate layer to original layer. Remove the far right windows by painting on it. Now, create a clip layer and unclip the house layer. Now paint the right side of the building with darker color. Extend this line using the eraser. Now, darken this line also. Merge this layer also. Create a clip layer below the first building layer. Draw another building with different looks. This time we'll draw the line using the same color. Create a clip layer above it, and draw long vertical lines on it, then duplicate it multiple times. To add more details, unclip layers related to this building and hide the other one. Now create a clip layer for the line layer, and change it to multiply. Add shadow to the lines, it'll give depth to it. Now, lower the opacity according to your will and merge this layer to the line layers. Create a clip layer below the line layer, and change it to multiply also. Draw more shadows on the right side. Now, merge all layer related to this building, and clip it again. Now, create another clip layer above for the third building. Draw the top line. And the window on another layer. Split it further using the eraser. Unclip the main structure, and hide all other buildings. Then create a clip layer below the window layer. Now, add shadow to the buildings. Merge this layer to the main structure. And our third building is complete now. Duplicate the first layer to create a shadow layer. Enable the alpha lock and paint it black. Now, use the basic transformation tool to move it. Lower the opacity according to your likes, and merge this layer to the main building. At last, let's adjust the buildings. Merge all the building layers. Let's move these buildings little lower. Create another clip layer below, we'll draw further away buildings now. Hide other buildings and unclip this layer. Draw the highlights on it. Create a clip layer, change it to multiply and draw more shadows and windows on it. Lower opacity. Don't worry about accuracy on these buildings, because it's not on focus. Now, merge this layer to the main structure and not to the layer below. Because it won't work as you can see, and I didn't realize that. Now, clip this layer back. Create a clip layer for another building, we'll give it different look. Disable the tool for now, and erase this building like this. Create a clip layer above and enable the rectangle tool again. Draw multiple vertical lines. And use the eraser to divide these lines further. Now, merge this layer to the main structure. Create another clip layer for one last building. Again, hide all other buildings and unclip this one, and then create a clip layer for this layer. Now, draw more details on it. You don't need to worry about accuracy here. Now, merge this layer to the main structure. Now disable the tool and use transformation tool to duplicate the building and adjust it. Tap here to flip the building. Merge the duplicate and duplicate another building using same steps. Now, merge all the buildings together, and create another clip layer below it. For the sun, apply the blur filter on it. Let's apply the gradient tool again on the bottom layer, because yellow part is not visible. Tap here to flip the colors. Create a layer on the top, and enable the grid tool. Now draw the stylized clouds on it. Don't worry about positioning right now, we'll adjust it later. Draw all the clouds differently. Now, disable the tool and use the transformation tool to adjust these clouds further. Merge the duplicates to the original layers, and duplicate this layer, then clip it below the sun layer. Move all the clouds again using transformation tool, keep it smaller than before this time. Again merge all the duplicate to the original one, and lower the opacity. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram, links in the description.